Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the Walmart app. First, make sure the Walmart app is fully updated. If you are using an iPhone, open the Apple App Store. If you are using Android, open the Google Play Store. Search for the Walmart app and check if there is an update available. If you see the update button, tap on it and wait for the installation to finish. Next, check if Walmart is having server outages or payment processing problems. Sometimes the servers are temporarily down because of high traffic or maintenance. You can wait a few minutes and then try again later. After that, open the Walmart app and go to your account profile. Find the payment methods section and remove the card that is causing the problem. Once the card is deleted, wait for a few minutes before adding it again. When re-entering the card information, type everything manually. Do not use autofill or the camera scan option. Also make sure your billing address matches exactly with the information your bank has on file. Even small differences in apartment numbers, spelling, or zip codes can cause the payment to fail. If the issue still does not resolve, uninstall the Walmart app completely and then reinstall it from the App Store or Play Store. Thanks for watching.